Namaskar. Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and I have another very beautiful designer royal sofa set for your living room, for your home, or you can place this in your office if you have a designer office or a different office. A very nice and unique design. I'll show it to you now. And this three-seater is a little different from what I have shown you earlier. You can see the curves on the handles both sides. This is solid wood, teak wood, and the design overall with the carving and the pattern, the curve gives it a different shape. And when we have a beautiful sofa, a designer sofa like this, a matching fabric, a beautiful fabric gives it a different look altogether. This is 7.5 feet out and out. Our regular sofa sets are 6.5 feet. This is 1 feet wider because the curve takes some extra space. Front to back 30 inches, back height 4 feet, and that is the size part. And apart from that, I'll sit on it. I'll show you the entire unit. I'm sitting on a corner. I have my hand on the handrest and it gives complete support to the hand. It's a differently carved unit. I'm sitting like this and you can see how spacious, big the entire three-seater sofa set looks here. It has got folding seat, the cushion, but a single cushion. It is not in parts. The cushion part is always your choice. You want it in three parts, you want it in fixed, you want quilting at the back. The fabric has choices. So any color, size, design, pattern, all these things can be customized as per your requirement, as per your choice, and as per the availability. A lot of times these days we have AI generated, software generated images, and that gives very different look, very different fabrics that may or may not be available in the market. So what is available, we can always use that. Along with the three-seater, we have a nice divan, a couch, day bed, you can call it, chaise lounge, and it's 8 feet out and out. A little bigger again. Generally, they are 7 feet, but with the curve, we have got extra size. Front to back 30 inches, back height for this point is 4 feet, and a nice design that matches with the three-seater. So, concept of the three-seater is continued in the chaise lounge as well, and you can see the overall design, a nicely crafted matching design for the three-seater and the chaise lounge or the divan as we call it. Now moving to the chairs. The chairs are again a little different, higher. They are 4.5 feet higher, so 6 inches more than the three-seater and the chaise lounge. And again, the shape of the chair. They look like real chairs, not the sofa chair. Out and out, 32 inches left to right, front to back 30 inches, back height 54 inches. That's 4.5 feet. I'll sit on the chair. I'll show you the complete look of the chair. Here I am, and very spacious. I have got enough space on both the sides, comfortable sitting. I'm getting both the hands, and the complete support for the hand I'm getting on both sides, and the woodwork is visible right here. The carving patterns that you see in these units, in the entire sofa, this is hand carving done by master artisans. And when we have master artisans locally in India and creating such masterpieces that are being exported to 55 countries. I also have a table along with this. I'll bring the table in. This is the center table we have, and just like the set, the curves and the carvings we have continued in the table as well. 4 feet by 2 feet, height is 18 inches, and teak wood antique gold paint, one of our most liked colors in royal sofas, designer sofas, luxury sofas. You can call it by any other name, but this is basically choice wala sofa, or as we call it, choice wala furniture. Choice because entirely everything, the design, the size, the colors, the fabric, everything is chosen by the client. What they wanted an 8-seater set. We have created that. If you want side tables along with this, you want to add a settee, open back settee, or a lounge, or any other thing, you want a single chair, we can do it. And we are delivering across the globe to more than 55 countries, everywhere in India, taking our art, our local art across the globe. And that is the most satisfying part. Apart from the money, it's the satisfaction part that is also quite prominent. So, hand carving of local artisans, Indian artisans going across the globe made to order as per choice, the colors, fabric, design, and everything, and at factory price. Because Arson is making it, you are receiving it at your home. There is no trader, no commission agent, no middleman who is taking extra money. So, best value, best price from Arson, best quality from the brand Arson, right to your home and as per your choice. The number you have here right in front of you. Contact us, let us know what you want. You can visit our website arsonwoods.com, or you can visit our YouTube channel, more than 1500 videos, a lot of items to choose from, and you'll be happy to see such kind of work getting done in India, our Bharat, for the globe. Hope you like our work. Thank you. Dhanyavad.